In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Cloudflare account. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a brand new Cloudflare account ready to go, and you'll know exactly what to expect on each screen, so there are no surprises. Let's start by opening the official Cloudflare website in a modern, up-to-date browser. Type the address carefully and make sure you see the secure lock icon in the address bar. This helps confirm you're on the legitimate site and not a lookalike. Once the home page loads, look for the Start for Free button. It's usually prominent near the top of the page. Click it to begin creating your account. This takes you to the Sign Up flow. Here you can use your Google or Apple account to get started. Choosing one of these options links your new Cloudflare account to the provider you already use, which can make signing in faster and more secure thanks to their built-in protections. Pick the option that matches the account you prefer to use across your services. After choosing, click Sign Up to continue. From this point, simply follow the prompts on your screen. The steps may include confirming your identity with your chosen provider and reviewing standard terms. Take a moment to read anything presented to you, then proceed when you're ready. If you're asked about basic preferences or notifications, you can accept the defaults or adjust them to your comfort level. If you see introductory tips or a short tour, it's worth taking a quick look to learn where key features live. When the setup finishes, you'll land in your Cloudflare dashboard. This means your account is active and you can start exploring the website. Before you dive in, consider bookmarking the dashboard so you can return quickly later. You'll typically find navigation on the left or top with links to your account settings, billing, and other tools. Spend a minute clicking through the sections to get familiar with the layout. It's perfectly fine if you don't configure anything yet. Today is all about getting your account in place. If you ever get stuck, look for help icons or a search bar within the site. Cloudflare's help resources are easy to find from the dashboard. And if you're on a shared or public computer, remember to sign out when you're done. That's it. You opened the Cloudflare website, clicked Start for Free, chose to continue with Google or Apple, signed up, followed the on-screen prompts, and now you're ready to explore. Great job getting set up.